Hi everyone, welcome to my channel How Law Brings Business. This is Charlene, and today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and law. So, talking about Bitcoin, I think it's a very popular topic at the moment as we have witnessed Bitcoin went up to 800k Australian dollars. And now it's down to around 470k Australian dollars in such short time, which is about in a month's time. And this video is not going to give you any financial advice or legal advice on whether you're going to invest in Bitcoin or not. But this is a video that I would like to share about my understandings of Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in general. So technically, the cryptocurrencies has no value in if you look at it from a technical basis. It's basically it's a program designed by some programmers, and there are many different kind of coins and tokens now available. And why now people are keen to purchase it or put money in it is because people believe that investing in Bitcoin can make money. And that's why there's lots of trading platforms now available for people who wants to put their money in and to participate in the ups and downs of the dollar value showing on the screen. So talking about money and value, you can think about the behavior as like either an investment or a purchase behavior. So you put some of your money into a trading platform, and then it shows that, okay, now you earn this amount of coins. And I believe that nowadays there are some ways to spend Bitcoin. However, it's at a very early stage that Bitcoin can be used as easy as money, like Australian dollars, for example. So it's more like a digital game online. However, I think that many people are enjoying the game so far, including myself. Okay, now let's talk about regulations. As we all know that different countries will have different laws and regulations on the financial products or like requirements, regulations for any trading platforms for the stock market. However, in relation to Bitcoin, the legislation is not that yet. So for any new technology-based thing, it will take some time for the legislation to follow up and regulate it. So let's take Uber for example. Uber is very popular now. However, Uber had been faced different legal or regulation challenges in different countries. For example, in some countries, taxis are highly regulated. You need to register with the government to get the taxi plate. But Uber it's providing similar services as taxi, but it doesn't went through the same process. So in some countries, Uber driver is regulated as a taxi driver. You may or may not believe it. And technology innovation has bring a new round of legal considerations for the government, and they will make a decision on what kind of law or rules will be applied to this new invention, like Airbnb, for example. It once faced a similar situation as Uber. So now we are talking about Bitcoins. There are different Bitcoin trading platforms available, and there's even apps that run by a startup. And the quality and services that different platform provides are similar, but not that similar either. I mean, they both provide the trading service. You can use, if you're in Australia, you can use Australian dollars to trade Bitcoin. But like the withdrawal time and the price and the process, how you deposit money are somehow different. I can say that at this stage, there's no formal legislation to regulate those trading platforms, which means that when you put your money into the trading platforms, you basically shows that you trust this platform to trade your Bitcoin or to purchase a Bitcoin or to invest, for example. Let's just make a comparison between some trading platforms, like some serious trading platforms run by the bank, or like based on bank. So if you are putting money, if you're thinking about doing some trade on the stock market, I think most people will compare different trading platforms and eventually you choose one that you can trust, because it depends on how much money you plan to put in. And I think most people will trust the platform that run by the banks, because banks are backed by the government or backed by the legislation. It will guarantee that you are able to withdraw what is on your account. However, for most Bitcoin trading platform, there's no law and regulation to regulate yet. And also, you don't know how safe it is to put your money in. And so that will be the risk from the legal perspective. And as a investor, or maybe like a gamer, so you are putting your money into something you don't know, but you believe that it's working. So yeah, this is about Bitcoin and law. And I once made a joke saying, oh, if there's any superannuation funds during a cryptocurrency, I would love to transfer all my super into that fund. However, the short answer is no, you can't do that, because super funds are highly, highly, highly regulated, and there is no regulation on Bitcoin yet.